They paid $1,200 for credit repair, and they still got denied a $500 credit card. It's because they never learned the law. Listen, these credit repair companies, listen, they keep you guys in the dark for a specific reason, because they don't want you to understand the process, because they don't understand it. But when you guys understand and you guys learn the simple 3-round dispute process using the federal law, I'm going to show you guys. You guys don't just get deletions. You guys actually get compensated. Tonight, I'm hosting a free masterclass. I'm breaking down the entire process from A to Z, how to actually turn these denials into income using violations. Listen, comment deletion or comment the word delete or hit the link in my bio. The seats are limited. So listen, stop paying others to do something that you guys can do yourself, pay yourself for.